Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with one more amazing application. By using this application, you can make your Instagram photos into a grid form. You will have to go to your Play Store or App Store. Its application is available for both of the devices. You will have to search for the Grid Giant, and in that application you will be able to make the photos grid. Now as you can see, the application is already installed in my device. I choose the picture, but the issue with this application is that it allow you to grid your photo with their logo. So I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna teach you how you can remove the company logo. You will have to choose your picture, and the application contain little bit advertisements and ads. You will have to wait for it. After that you can easily make your photos grids, and I'm gonna to keep watching. I'm gonna teach you how you can remove the company and application logo and make your photos grid and upload into Instagram account. As you can see in the screen, that a lot of the application having ads. You will have to wait for a little bit moment. Yeah, I think it's done now. Cross the ads. Oh my gosh. Yeah, as you can see now, the ad is, you can see that they can make my photo into grid form, but you can see in the picture number 1 that the logo of the application is attached with it. The trick is so simple to remove logo. You will have to open your Snapchat. Go to your Snapchat and go to your camera roll, select the picture and the picture number 1 with the logo. As you can see that this picture having logo of the application, you will have to select the logo and choose the scissor and cut the black portion from the screen anywhere and paste that black portion into the logo of the company. Yeah, here you go. The trick is so simple. I hope so you guys love it, man. It's so simple. And after that, pass that cut portion in the logo portion and save the image, and delete the image one with the logo and upload this image without logo into your Instagram account. I'm gonna show you how you can do this, man. So now let me save this picture. I save the picture into my gallery and photos. Now open your Instagram account. Yeah, this is my Instagram. If you want to follow me, feel free to follow me. Yeah, this is the picture without logo, so upload this picture. Yes, you can see that the picture with logo and without logo. Now I can show you different photos that I grid using this application in my account. You can select the numbering while uploading from the same application. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, thumbs up. And as you can see in my Instagram accounts, I have a lot of photos in the grid form by using this application. I hope so you're gonna like it. Thumbs up, peace, take care, tata, bye bye. Thank you so much for your precious time. Subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed, tata, bye bye.